When considering SimpleRent for your property management needs, there are some important things to know before making your decision. Unlike its competitors, SimpleRent aims to streamline property management, but whether it's the best fit for you depends on your unique needs. Let's dive into the 12 things you need to know before buying. First thing you should know is how user-friendly the platform is. SimpleRent prides itself on a clean, intuitive interface that is easy to navigate, even for those new to property management software. However, when compared to platforms like AppFolio, which offers more extensive onboarding, SimpleRent may leave more advanced users wanting additional customization. The second thing to consider is the pricing model. SimpleRent offers competitive pricing, but there are some hidden fees for certain features. Unlike Buildium, which has a clear, all-inclusive pricing structure, SimpleRent requires you to pay extra for certain premium features, like additional integrations and customization options. The third thing you should be aware of is the mobile app. SimpleRent does have a mobile app, but its functionality is limited compared to others in the market. Platforms like Rentec Direct offer a more comprehensive app experience, allowing for easier communication and management on the go. Next thing to consider is customer support. While SimpleRent provides decent customer service through email and chat, it doesn't match the extensive support that software like Tenant Cloud provides, which offers 24/7 phone support and a more responsive system. The fifth thing to think about is tenant communication. SimpleRent includes some basic tenant communication features, but it falls short when compared to competitors like Propertyware, which offer more robust communication tools like automated notifications and direct text messaging. The sixth thing is the accounting features. SimpleRent includes basic accounting tools like rent tracking and invoicing, but if you're looking for a more comprehensive system, something like Yardi might be a better fit due to its more detailed financial reporting and integration with tax systems. Next up, integration options. SimpleRent integrates with some popular apps like QuickBooks, but it has fewer integrations than platforms like AppFolio or Rentec Direct, which provide a wider array of third-party integrations to help you manage all aspects of your business. The eighth thing is the reporting tools. SimpleRent has some basic reporting options, but lacks the depth seen in competitors like Buildium or Rentec Direct, where you can customize reports to fit your exact business needs, making those better options for advanced property managers. The ninth thing is the lease tracking functionality. SimpleRent includes a basic lease tracking system, but if you manage multiple properties or require more detailed tracking of lease terms and renewals, competitors like Yardi have a stronger offering in this area. The 10th point is the scalability of the software. SimpleRent works well for small to medium-sized portfolios, but struggles with larger portfolios when compared to systems like AppFolio or Rentec Direct, which are designed to scale with growing property management businesses. The 11th thing you should know is the maintenance management feature. SimpleRent includes basic maintenance request handling, but it lacks the advanced features seen in more specialized tools like Propertyware, which allows for full work order management, contractor tracking, and even tenant-submitted photos of issues. The last thing is security. SimpleRent uses encryption and data protection, but when compared to others like Buildium or Yardi, which offer more extensive security measures like two-factor authentication and stronger user role customization, SimpleRent could improve in this area. So, is SimpleRent a good option for property management? It's certainly a solid choice for small to mid-sized property owners looking for a user-friendly platform at a competitive price. However, if you want a more comprehensive solution with advanced features, better integrations, and scalability, we recommend you check out our preferred solution. You can try it for free and see how it compares.